Well, in a shocking new report out of New York has shown that the number of COVID-19 related deaths in nursing homes was wildly underreported. In the state, since the beginning of the pandemic, the official count of deaths in nursing homes was over 8,000, but there were suspicions that it was more. But now a report carried out by the Office of the Attorney General Letitia James showed that 62 nursing homes had undercounted as much as 50%. It is also reported that nursing home facilities lacked proper PPE and testing, which led to more deaths in these long-term facilities. Some nursing homes were solely to blame for the deaths and are now under investigation. In the investigation, an example that was used showed that 11 confirmed deaths or presumed deaths was actually 40. Fox News also reports that the death toll was much higher because nursing homes weren't counting elderly people that were dying in hospitals rather than the nursing homes. One of the more shocking points from the investigation is this quote. It reads, "Government guidance requiring the admissions of COVID-19 patients into nursing homes may have put residents at increased risk of harm in some facilities and may have obscured the data available to assess that risk." This point has been widely criticised by families of nursing home patients because Governor Cuomo was allowing COVID-positive patients into nursing homes. The directive was reversed in May when Cuomo said hospitals cannot send patients back into nursing homes unless they have tested negative. Cuomo has claimed that he was just following federal advice and then went on to tell MSNBC's Nicolle Wallace yesterday that incompetent government was responsible for COVID deaths in his state.
This state, I'm very proud of what New Yorkers have done because they have rallied. We were ambushed like no other state, Nicolle. And again, it was from federal incompetence. They thought the virus was in China. It had left China, it had gone to Europe, and it came here for 3 months before they ever knew. Incompetent government kills people. Incompetent government kills people. More people died than needed to die in COVID. That's the truth. And forget Democrat, Republican. As a person who believes in government and public service and who has seen people die over this past year, that's why hearing President Biden is such a welcome relief.
But the investigation is not enough for Congresswoman Elise Stefanik, who is demanding there be consequences for Andrew Cuomo. She wants the New York Attorney General Letitia James and the US Justice Department to subpoena Andrew Cuomo's administration for its handling of the pandemic because of the concerning conduct by New York nursing homes. Ms. Stefanik said, "As a fellow New Yorker, I want to publicly thank the effective and tireless advocates who have humbly served as the voice of their lost loved ones and have faced inexcusable treatment from the governor and his entire team, who we know have orchestrated a criminal cover-up and have blood on their hands."